Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. If you guys are interested, be sure to subscribe down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a shower tour. I'm going to be doing a what's in my shower video, showing you all of my favorite shower essentials. So behind me is my shower, and this bathroom is shared by myself, my husband, and our 4-year-old daughter. So we do have men's care products as well as some children toys in the shower. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the things that are in my shower. So if you guys are interested, then definitely stay tuned. Okay, so here is a little overview of what my shower looks like. It is your basic standard tub, nothing fancy, nothing special. I do have this tension rod shower caddy. I got this from Walmart. It was super inexpensive. It was about $40, 37 something. And I have a wide shower head up here and your basic, you know, pipe thing, whatever those are called. I do have a cloth over there which just helps me to clean and keep water from coming over the sides. I have a cup there with 2 dolls, which is for my 4-year-old daughter. I use the cup to help rinse her hair when I am washing her hair, and the 2 dolls are what she usually plays with in the shower. They are 2 black Barbies that came with a swimming pool that she had, so we thought it would be fitting for the 2 dolls to stay in the bathtub because they are swimmers, you know, so yeah. So here is my shower caddy and all of the products that I currently have on it. So the bottom shelf is all hair care items, shampoo, conditioner, and anything related to hair. This is my shelf that has my body wash, feminine wash, my exfoliating gloves, and my exfoliant. And I also have my loofah hanging from it as well. This shelf is for my husband. It just has men body wash. You know, men don't really have an extensive shower routine, so it's just super basic. And then we have a bar soap at the top that my husband uses to wash his face. It is a pear soap. It is like natural pear soap, and I highly recommend it if you want to help clear your skin. Okay, so I wanted to come and show you guys the items specifically that I have on the shelves. So I'm gonna start off on this shelf here, which is my husband's shelf. So in here we have an Irish Spring body wash. This we get from Walmart. It smells really good, and it's the Irish Spring Deep Action Scrub. So we have it upside down because there's not a lot left in it. So we have this in here. We also have the Dove Men Care Deep Clean with Purifying Grains. It's almost like a body exfoliant. It smells really good, and your man come out of the bathroom smelling hella fresh, girl. So yeah, we have this, both of these. Okay, so moving on to my shelf down here, I do have quite a bit of products because I do have different shower routines. So first and foremost, I have my body wash. The body wash that I've currently been using is the Nivea Cream Smooth Body Wash. This is in the fragrance Shea Butter. It has a really nice fragrance, you guys. Like, it's just super calming. I am a nighttime showerer. I shower in the night, so this is just so calming to put you to bed. So I highly recommend this. This I got from my local Walmart. And yeah, it's very moisturizing, and I love it a lot. So this is the shower gel that I'm currently using. I also have this shower gel in here. It is from Soft Soap. This is what I use for my daughter. It is the Juicy Pomegranate and Mango. So this is what I've been using for her, and it is almost done. So that is why it is upside down, so we can get the last little bit of soap that is left in here. Okay, so moving on, I have 2 exfoliants in the shower. One of them is the St. Ives Acne Control Exfoliant. So this is is what it looks like. And the other one I have is the St. Ives Fresh Skin Exfoliant. So I use these on different days depending on when I shower. So if I take a shower in the morning and I'm washing my face, I'll go in with the Fresh Skin just to clean my face, just to purify it overnight, because I do have a morning and nighttime skincare routine. So I do have this, I do use this in the morning time when I take a shower, and then in the evenings when I take a shower and I wore makeup that day, I usually use this one just because it gives me a deeper clean. This is a deep exfoliant, so I like that this kind of helps to remove all that leftover makeup, and I just prefer using this one after in the nighttime just to get all the dirt from the day off of my face. So these are the two exfoliants that I have in my shower. Okay, so in my shower I also have a feminine wash. This is the Vagisil pH Balance feminine wash. It is dye free, fragrance free. It gives you all day freshness, and this just helps to, you know, keep the pH balance good for the kitty cat, because you know sometimes she be out of whack and she be acting crazy, so sometimes you got to give her a little bit of help. So I like using this one. It's very gentle and it's perfect, so I highly recommend this for you ladies out there. And then of course I have a razor in here for when I'm shaving and stuff like that. So I am a shaver type of person, so I just use this in the shower when I need to, you know, shave my armpits and whatnot. So I get my razors from Walmart, and it is a 5-blade razor, so I really like these. So I also have exfoliating gloves, you guys, and if you guys are not using exfoliating gloves, you are slipping. Oh my god, I love using exfoliating gloves. It is such a nice shower experience using exfoliating gloves, especially with that Nivea body wash, because it lathers up so nicely. Like, you are coming out of the shower feeling nice and smooth. Like, girl, you got like baby skin when you come out the shower. It's a really nice shower experience, so I highly recommend exfoliating gloves. These I got from my local dollar store, but of course any beauty outlet or pharmacy outlet have these available, so I highly recommend that you use exfoliating gloves. I use my exfoliating gloves about 2 to 3 times a week. I don't use it every day just because I don't want to be too abrasive on my skin, but I do use it a few times out of the week, and I absolutely love the shower experience. So definitely go and get you some exfoliating gloves. Yeah, and then the last thing I have on my shelf is this loofah. You guys, I like using loofahs every now and again. I usually just take a shower with a washcloth or a rag, as we call it, but sometimes I like to feel a little bougie and I use my loofah. So this loofah I got from my local dollar store as well, and it works really well, and it's pink and purple, so I thought it was really pretty. So yeah, I just hang this on my shelf whenever I'm not using it, and yeah. Okay, so moving on to that bottom shelf, I do have a shampoo and conditioner. These are the Garnier Whole Blends Soothing Conditioner and Soothing Shampoo in coconut oil and cocoa butter. I absolutely love using these for my hair when I wash my hair. The shampoo is not stripping at all. Like, I really like it, and it is paraben free, and it does help to moisturize my hair and keep it nice and healthy. So these are my current favorite shampoo and conditioners. I also have another Garnier shampoo in my shower. I was actually sent this product to review, and it's the Garnier Fructis Repairing Treat Shampoo. So I like to use the shampoo in between my protective styles because I don't wash my hair very often when I have in my protective style. So after I pull it out, I like to do a nice deep clean, and I'll use this shampoo. So I really love it. It has a lovely scent. It has a citrus smell. It is so good. I absolutely love it, so I highly recommend this if you need a deep clean shampoo that is not stripping or damaging to your hair. So I really like this. And then lastly, I have this olive oil conditioner as well in my shower. It's just a random conditioner. Sometimes I use this to do an extra deep condition when I'm washing my hair, so it just depends on what kind of hair treatment or routine that I'm doing. So I also have this to use, and I also have this regular Herbal Essences Hello Hydration Conditioner, and my husband uses this mostly when he is deep conditioning his hair. So we also have these on the bottom shelf. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much all the things I have in my shower. Very basic. I don't have too many products. I've definitely seen videos of people who have 10 times more things in their shower, but I don't like to have too much things in my shower because of course it's a small shower and I don't want there to be a lot of clutter. We just have our essentials in the shower, as well as some little toys for my daughter, which I usually keep at a minimum. So yeah, that is all the items I have in my shower. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, girl, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button down below and join the fun and join the crew and join the squad, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.